Bailey.
Go on speaker then. Hey chat.
Why are you looking at it?
Take the setting to the gram. See all pink with a tan and I play with it. My middle fingers are cramped up. Swipe right cause he quick and he handsome. Never sneak peek when you're free till he cam up.
It's already got some weight in the area.
The company will taxes for the taxi cab drivers.
We're one of them too.
No, they're working with me in the US. With HR.
Wow.
The right time.
Can't see anything. Just see. Oh my god, this dragon eggs.
Go ahead, come on. There's nobody around, you know? Touring ourselves.
The shop! I don't know what I want. A dragon egg. He's a dragon. Where do we go? Because it's the wall. It's cold. Oh, you can't even see. And Hodor, he doesn't look that big. Oh, he's holding the door. The girl. Oh, I thought it was the girl.
What the hell?
It's the map. What is this one? Oh. That's Dragonstone right there. She sits right there.
Hurry up.
Hello, this is Natalie again.
Wow.
I'm excited to introduce
I want to see a dragon.
This is a set, yeah. Like they filmed it here.
Yeah. The red woman. And John. This is when he dies.
Harrington.
It's quite chunky.
Big wood. Tormund over there.
That's quite chunky too.
Ghosty.
What's over there? The hound. This is your favourite, Little Bran. can make your own.
Make a badge. Doing on this one. Is that it? I know you're looking for a dragon. I think you're hard. The vote.
Oh, that's the same. This one.
What did that even do?
It's looking so shit.
Your house.
I give up.
Let's get out of it.
Fearless.
Before someone sees us.
Oh, it's up there. Oh. That is embarrassing. Mine looks the worst.
The boat is fucking shit. Surgical treatment, like Sam used on
Yeah.
dragon glass. Why are they all dead?
Look at the eggs, look at the eggs. I want one.
Oh, he's wet.
Oh yeah. And like the little thing that she opens and then it does that little bug thing.
Yeah.
Look at the eggs.
I reckon that's the real eggs they use.
Baby. Look at the little fingers. This is the bathroom. Is that how tall they are? Are you the same height as Jon Snow? You're taller than Jon Snow? Am I taller?
Probably this height.
No, Sansa. Nah, I'm taller than her. No, I am. Wow.
Oh, this is Dragonstone.
They definitely filmed in here.
Oh, I know. I like it's not ready.
This is where they had
Winterfell. Where?
King, I don't know. Oh, look. Oh my god, he's thick, isn't he?
Oh, no.
He's quite thick. That's how tall he is. She's tall. This is the Hound. He is tall.
What's your next name?
Yeah. No, I don't.
Structured now.
Oh my Jesus.
That's Baloo and the Tourette over there.
Oh my the table. Wow.
This is cool.
Look at the dragon.
Dude, that blue should have been here.
This is Daenerys. Look at Daenerys. Look at her outfit.
She's so short.
Yeah. And Unsullied.
She's so
Look how short he is. Lord Varys. Oh, look at this. Oh, Lena.
There it is.
She's so small.
Who's that over there? Yara Greyjoy. She got finger marks.
Look at the dragon. Look at the dragon. You're so Littlefinger. Oh, free. Wow, that's pretty. Oh, we wore it at the fight. This, wool the fray.
You chopped off a willy in that outfit. Captain Stark.
Look at the little fish.
That's awesome. I didn't see that in the film. Huh?
No,
It was probably there. But...
that's pretty. Look at all the roses. Oh, look at her ring.
It's a bit fucking big, isn't
Cersei.
it? Put my finger down. Stuff like that.
And her crown. Look at her crown.
Dragon.
Yeah.
What? Brienne of Tarth.
The nails.
That's a great hit the greedy, right?
The gritty.
Jamie's hand. Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Baby one. Look how tiny. Oh. What do I do? Wait, what did you do? I'm bored.